Hi there. You guys gonna put on a show for us?
We have to turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights?
And, well, you have to do your dinosaur. Okay. I know.
Henry,
Turn off the lights.
come here. First you have to tell me something. What's your name? What's your whole name?
Henry Snyder.
And where do you live?
Washington, D.C.
And how old are you?
I'm 4.
And what's your sister named?
Marley.
And do you go to school?
Yep.
Where do you go? Do you know the name of your school?
Yeah. I know my school.
What's your school?
Chicka Elementary.
That's right. And you guys are friends or something? Is that the deal?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Period, 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 exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point. Would you like to show?
Yes. I would like to see your...
It can be a Utah Raptor.
All right, let's see your Utah Raptor show. Show me... Yeah, show me how the Utah Raptor goes. Come on, keep coming. Let's see the whole thing. Show me the little arms. Where are the little arms? What do you eat, Utah Raptor? You're a meat eater? How about you?
What do I eat? If I was a dinosaur?
Yeah.
One of those dinosaurs that eats roses.
You'd be a meat eater?
Yeah. I mean, no, a plant eater.
Oh.
Because roses are plants.
Oh, okay. You're gonna eat. I thought you were gonna eat dinosaurs that eat roses. How about you, Jack? What would you eat? He says, I eat mashed up peas.
What kind of dinosaur is he?
He's a baby raptor.
What is he? Is he crazy? He's crazy.
Hey.
Oh, hello.
Oh, I just want to get out.
Let me get back away.
I just want to get out of the picture so Henry can do all his stuff.
Who's doing all that crying? Is that Miss Marley? Doing all that fussing? Hi over there. Mr. John?
Hey, Henry. Henry, do the start of the show.
No, we have to turn off the lights.
Oh, okay. Let's turn off the lights.
But can you see?
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah.
We should go to night vision.
How do you turn off this light?
I think it's over on that wall over there.
Oh, don't turn that on.
Look where I'm pointing, Sammy.
We have to turn off
There
the
you
whole
go.
light.
There you go.
We have to turn off the whole lights.
And then there's one by the door.
Where's that one?
Look at this. There's a loft up there. Another bedroom. Another bathroom.
Mom, I gotta do
There's Miss Tanya. Hi, Miss Tanya.
the lights.
Coming back with laundry. Getting ready for the show.
Yeah, we're doing a show. Look. Let me move all this stuff. Okay?
Okay, you tell me when you're ready.
Let the show start off, Henry.
Put all those away. Okay, Sam?
Okay. Henry, why don't you help me, please?
Sammy's the key grip. Henry can be the best boy.
You're over here.
We have to sit down. Okay?
Henry.
Sit down, Brad.
Well, how can I videotape you if I sit
Stand
down?
up while you videotape.
Yeah, so I can get a good
Okay.
picture.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is a dinosaur show, the Utah Raptor 2. Well, it's about a same show. It's Utah Raptor. Utah Raptor with the dinosaur. Tyrannosaurus looked up on Utah Raptor roared. Rah! Rah! The Utah Raptor jumped on him and ate him. Welcome. Walked away. Rah! The real life a roar. Walk and slow. Ah! Walk down. Ah! And look. It's he's nuts. And it ran out of the trees. It looked. It ran straight away. Utah Rat ran after. And so it's other Utah Rat. Walk. And that's done.
That's the end of the show?
Yep.
Yay! Woo-hoo! You ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's hear it. How does it start?
A.
Right.
A. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Yay!
That dinosaur won.
Very good.